Did you know that snowstorms can get extreme? Here are the biggest snowstorms in history. First, the Great Blizzard of 1888, also known as the Great White Hurricane. This storm buried the East Coast from Maryland to Maine with up to 55 inches of snow, causing over 400 deaths and massive disruptions. Next, the storm of the century in 1993. This gigantic storm affected the entire eastern United States from Georgia to Canada, with snowfall nearing 6 feet in some areas. It caused widespread power outages and closed every major airport on the East Coast. And finally, the Iran blizzard of 1972. This catastrophic storm dumped up to 26 feet of snow in some areas, resulting in the deaths of around 4,000 people. It remains the deadliest snowstorm on record. So,